Nothing around me. So I am, oh my gosh, I can't even see that. I don't know where I am because I don't see any way from here. I'll show you if I can. That's how down it is. Is this the way somewhere? Where is the way? But I don't know. Something serious, something tricky, and a bit scary, I would say, for the first time. Well, I hope I get to go somewhere. It's tricky to go down from here. I might fall. Well, if I ever fall, that would be pretty dangerous. Whoa, I feel like this is the definition of being in wild by yourself and risking it. Imagine I die. Could be a possibility, but I'll just continue with my little adventure. Either it could be this way, that way. Let's go this way. Yep. Oh wow. Okay. Seems like I have got somewhere nice. Well, one of them, if it moves, I'm dead. I think I should leave it here and head for home because this seems really scary all by myself and all the water sounds. But I don't think I'll be able to come here again, so I don't know. Let's try going a little far, maybe like more 15 minutes, and then I'll head back if I can, and if I'm not stuck. Well, I won't be. I don't doubt myself that much. Oh, it's pretty nice actually. And I feel like I can keep going, but I was just there and I have covered this much only, so I'm not pretty good, I would say. I shouldn't be very confident about this, but let's keep going for more 15 minutes. Oh gosh, that's I don't even know, that's beautiful, I would say. Oh, do you see the trees? That tree there, that's fallen. Oh. I feel like I have got there. If you can read that viewpoint there, I just have to go there now. Pretty good for the first time. I have done hikes, but I would say I haven't done this sort of hike ever, and where you don't even see anybody. I haven't seen anybody getting down or up, so a different experience. Okay, well, we are going to the viewpoint. Gosh, got here a little more to go. Oh, the sound is scary. And look at this, I should have got my hiking shoes instead of these ones. You know, I'm more comfortable in those shoes instead of it looks like these all are snakes. I feel like I'm almost on top. Ouch. The laces. Ooh. Wow. I don't know where that is. I'll find it on my way back. Whoa. Is this the view? Gosh. No. There is no view. Oh, I lost my water bottle. Well, I hope this is the view. Yeah, that's the viewpoint. Oh, actually, that's pretty amazing. Wow. Oh, that's the viewpoint there. Do you see this one? Okay, I don't want to trip. And I don't want to die. Ouch. All right. Wow. I had covered all the way down there. Now it looks like a bit scary, man. There's a little train station there. Do you see that? And then here they are more. This is a small town. I could see the bottle earlier. It fell somewhere there. But I don't think I can see it anymore. It should have gone somewhere. Oh shit. Okay. Okay. Do not worry. Just a water bottle. The main concern should be going down safely. I'll just tie my shoes. Give me a moment, all done. Scary. That's a bit strong, not much, but a little reliable. Okay, I need to put my phone in the pocket so that I don't trip. Wow. A little, but no sign of the water bottle. Well, it could be fallen from there to somewhere, and I think it has gone away. Shit. With the water, because the water is flowing. Okay. The thing about the water bottle is that it's white, it's of white color, and it could be that way because I just took this way from there. So I don't know if it's worth going that way, you know, risking it over a water bottle. Well, I wish I can find it, you know. It would be a different sort of happiness losing it on a scary, risky mountain and then finding it. Wow. I doubt it. It could have just gone there or this way. But I doubt this way because this is too far. Well, I'm trying to see if it's stuck somewhere. Go that way so that I can have a look up. It could be hidden anywhere. The rocks are really big, but just for the sake of me trying it, I could have taken this way. That was a nicer way. Well, there is no chance of the water bottle to be safe anywhere. If it has gone that way, then it's gone. Like gone. Actually, I don't want to go from here. It's risky. I'll just take that way there. like I'm gonna hurt myself from, because I might be safe. But a little, bruises and all, that would be. Oh, they are all. Okay, actually, why am I risking from here? I can just go. So I've come from there. This place, I feel like the bottle would have stuck here, But let's go and try this side. If it's somewhere here, oh my gosh. Looks a bit scary, to be honest, to be this close, but I don't think the bottle would have gone anywhere from here. The flow of the water is not much, or it just got stuck somewhere up. Yeah, I think that is what has happened. Whoa, look at me. Stupid me, trying to find a water bottle instead of going down and be safe in the water. Yeah. That's how people die in the movies. But I'm gonna die, so let's just follow this water. Ooh. That's the right way. Gosh. I'm still trying to find it, to be honest. Okay, let's move. It could have hidden in these leaves as well, but it's okay. Oh, let's go down. There's no scope of it now, because I am almost there, where the bottle should be, and then there is just track. Not this risky, it's just a nice track where if you trip, you fall, otherwise you are safe. And you fall down. I feel like I'll show you that part as well. Well, the bottle should have been here, and I feel like I couldn't have followed it as well, man. It's not worth following about a water bottle, to be honest. Taking that much of risk. Imagine I find it here somewhere. It could have gone that way as well. Okay. You see, from down here. So there is nothing that can stop it. And from there, that's how. Well, no, nothing. It's not here. It's nowhere. Yeah. So, I didn't want to pollute the environment and the mountain, actually. But it happened. It just so happened that I had to contribute in some way. There is no scope of it. No more finding water bottle. That's the end of it. Yeah. That's it. Let's go down so that I can go before it gets dark. So nice, actually. There's a little bit. Almost down and safe. I did not die. I managed to be alive. So this is a bit safer now, as I said already. Chilly It was drizzling earlier, but I'm all good now. And it's not scary now, it's really bright and all, but some of the paths, just like the way ahead, it looks really scary. Where it's all dark for like a couple of minutes. This is still okay. Sound in the sky. Oh, time to go home and eat something. Hungry after losing my water bottle. Oh, shit. Somebody lost this. And I have finished the track. Oh, happy me. That's the mountain behind me, which I covered. Pretty big. And that's the view there. Here, I don't even know if I was there. I think I was there somewhere. Yeah, there has to be the viewpoint. Oh my gosh, I can't see viewpoint somewhere. How far was I? Maybe here? I don't know actually. The view, I don't know. But I feel like I was there somewhere, and the view should be from there. Quite up. So back to the beautiful view.